We, as Thai Frozen Food Association, export seafood from Thailand to all over the world. Not only quality, but safety of our customer is also crucial. We culture our shrimp in 100% clean seawater. Therefore, our shrimp is juicy and naturally sweet. Our production process in Thailand use high technology and is under the GMP HACCP food standard. We work with the Department of Fisheries and the Ministry of Public Health in building high safety control measures. We sanitize all transportation devices and all material. We keep record and take temperature all staff. Our staff wear mask and uniform during working at all times and practice social distancing during our production process. We sanitize all the equipment. We follow sanitary standards in every process, including while loading our product. Department of Fisheries and the Ministry of Public Health advise each step. All these measures to ensure customers our high quality, clean and safety products. China and Thailand, we will overcome this challenge together.